Picture yourself in the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.